I'm Jamie. Um, this is my setup. Um, I don't like it, so let's change it. First things first, we're gonna turn this thing off. The desk is now cleared. I think I'm gonna take all the cables out from under here, and then get some cable ties and see if we can do something with it. And just overall clean it up a little bit. We're finally empty. Okay, I think the plan is maybe clean out the computer a little bit and then slowly start adding cables back and then cable tie some, see if we can get it slightly better, and then go from there. So to do this, I'm going to use this tool I got. I think it was Amazon, maybe. I'll put a link in the description if I can find it. Yeah, it's really, really handy. So let's start. So I don't know if you saw that. My phone just fell into my computer case. So I'm really hoping it still works. There's a couple scratches and stuff I've noticed on my case, but nothing major. So I think I'm gonna start plugging stuff in and try to tidy it up a little bit. Oh. Well, we did it. This was a fun one, wasn't it? I'd really love to completely redo this space, but that's money, and we can't do that yet. So maybe we will eventually. But this was my first tech kind of video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to do some reviews and stuff. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more.